All right, so before you start sending traffic, you have to make sure that you have a good funnel in place and that your offer is something that the market wants. Okay, so you need an offer that will convert and you need a good squeeze page. Actually, the more simple the squeeze page is and the less text there is, the better. Okay, now make sure to track, test, and tweak your offer so you can continually improve the conversion rates. And your conversion rate will vary, so it could range anywhere from 10% to 50%. It all depends on the solo ad vendor that you buy from. Reasons for having low conversion rates may be the low quality of their list, or maybe your offer is just not right for their list, or maybe there may be something wrong with the email swipes that you gave them. Okay, now don't be discouraged if you sometimes have low conversion rates, because that's just the name of the game with solo ads. You will, whenever you buy solo ads, you know, from time to time, you will get low conversion rates. Um, but like I said, your offer just may not have been right with that vendor's list. Okay, so make sure to have a backend offer in place, such as a one-time offer or a follow-up email, so that you can make sales immediately and recuperate your solo ad costs.